believe it is. 22. Oh darn, I want to get a recording of that Cisticola. Help identify it anyhow. Still at Akagera National Park, Rwanda. 9/18, I believe it is. I'm going to check my calendar right now. Yeah, 9/18. Okay. Well, so much for that video. So, I guess I'll just take a video of something. Well, that was the Cisticola I was trying to get a recording of. I think that was a trilling Cisticola, but I'm just not too sure about that. Anyhow, this is a picnic area here at the park, and it's one of the very few places you're allowed to get out of your automobile. That is a big no-no here at the park, as it is in most parks in Africa. Big no-no getting out of your car. Fine. Fine anywhere from here in this park. It's 100. This is a female violet-backed starling. It's the male that has the violet back. The female does not. Very different looking than the male. Anyhow, the fine here is $150 for getting out of your car, unless you're in a spot where it's allowed. And there's very few of those. And sometimes it's as much as as much as a $500 fine. And maybe even more in some places, I forget now, but here it's $150. I don't know, we'll walk over here. There's several hippopotamuses here. I've been here, this is my third time at this location, trying to find a couple of particular kinds of birds, papyrus, gonolek, and white-winged warbler. I have yet to see either, although I've seen a few other lifers. There's also, I know that there's a few crocodiles here. A couple of them are pretty big. So one of them was hanging out right over here the other day. Let me see if I can find him over here. No, I don't see him over here. That's a hippo out in the water there. Yeah, he was right on the shore. I take it back. I believe he's out in the water. Yeah, that's a croc right there. Yeah, that's a croc. That's not a hippo. Oh, what's that bird? I don't know if you heard that. That was a hippo. They grunt and snort and such. Yeah, there's a croc right there. He's a pretty good sized croc too. Like I say, he was up on the shore the other day. He's about 4 meters long, I'd say, about 12 feet, roughly. Close to 1.5 feet wide, I'd say. Whoops, where'd he go here? I lost him here now. There he is. Well, we'll pan down this way. The other day I saw a lion. Gosh darn, I should have took a video of that lion. Male lion, big old male lion. He's lying in the shade, trying to catch a few winks of sleep. There's a female there too. I think I was told there was 3 lions there, but I only saw 2. Yeah, I should have got a video. I got pictures. I should have got a video. Anyhow, okay, that's enough of this video, I think.